Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So today we are going to see how we can use Chat GPT. So basically Chat GPT is one platform where you will get all the things. So for that we need to just search for Chat GPT in any web browser. Once you will press the enter button, this is our official website, which is OpenAI, like a chat GPT. I will give you this link in the description box so you can use this. Over here, first you have to log in. Okay. So how you will log in? Simple. Over here, you will get a login button. You need to just use your Gmail ID for login. And once you will log in, you will get this screen. Now, how we will search any query. For example, I want to search any story for kid. Okay, so for that I need to write story name for kids. Now once you will press this green button which is send message, you will get some stories. For example, the magical adventures of Lily and Max. Now, so this is just a story name. Okay. Now, if you want some information about this story, so we can write, just paste that name here, story. Okay. Now, once we will press the enter button, you will get all the information about this story. So, for example, if you will see, I'm getting all the information. Now, as you can see, like no need to search anywhere in the Google. Directly we can search in the chat GPT. For example, we have one story which is the magical adventure of Lily and Max story. So first, if you will read this, you will get like a once upon a time in the quaint little village of. So you will get all the details about this story. Okay, so in this way, whatever we want, we can search. Suppose I want to search Johnny Johnny S Papa poem. Okay, Johnny Papa poem. Now, after this, if I will click here, you will get. See, here is Johnny Johnny Yes Papa, like Johnny Johnny Yes Papa, eating sugar no Papa, telling lies no Papa. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. And you will get some details about this poem, which is it's a popular nursery rhyme that is often. So, whatever you want to search, so with the help of Chat GPT, you will get all the things. Okay. So with the help of Chat GPT, now our life is very easier. So directly, like a no need to search in the Google, directly we can search here. So you will get all the details. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much.